What's up, folks? 24 Panini Impeccable, a one-box random team. Welcome in here. Let's roll the dice to our teams first. 6 plus 4, that equals 10. Should be all 30 teams verified. To 10 we go. 7, 8, 9. To the 10. It's the Yankees at the top. It's the Dodgers at the bottom. 10. 10 to your guys' names. To use guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last. It's Suiyasu at the top. It's Ben at the bottom. Good luck. 10, 10, 2 of 10. Let's get this show on the road here. Let me alphabetize your guys' names here. There you guys go. Alphabetical order. Go ahead and take a look.
Alright, perfect. We're going to hijack the rope.
Yeah.
Alright.
Lions, baby, Lions! Lions, baby, Lions! Who rock Lions with me, baby? Who stayed strong? Who had Jameer Gibbs 4 touchdowns?
Yeah, who had Jameer Gibbs?
Who had Jameer Gibbs 4 touchdowns for
Plus
for
5,000.
plus 5,001? Who had him, boys? Who had him? Who had him, boys? Haman-Ra! Haman-Ra! Haman-Ra St. Brown's in here, baby. Who had him for 4 touchdowns? Mustang.
I did.
Mustang. Who had him? Who had him? Let's go.
Vegas ain't even giving us
Lions, baby, Lions.
They should be pushes when someone scores 4 touchdowns.
Lions, baby.
That's messed up, man. There's no market for it.
Can you bet on it?
No, I've only ever seen 3.
Yeah, I think I've only seen.
I've only ever seen 3. That's crazy. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Impeccable, 24. Yep, 2024. Good luck. Whoa, didn't even need to do that. And how does this work? Huh? And how does this work? Okay, good luck, folks. You know, I don't quite remember this product now that I think about it. I don't remember this product. All right, let's go one by one here. Let's go one by one here. Good luck. What happened here? Oh, okay. Yeah. You got it. You guys just let me know. What's the trade? You guys got a trade going? Just remind me of what team you're on. Vandy. Brew Crew. Okay. Crew for cards. Awesome. Got it. Crew for cards. Vandy, that's good. Just give me the thumbs up. Just want to make sure that is the correct trade. And Vandy here. Okay. All right, that should be good. Let me reprint here. Awesome. Cool. Let me just reprint this. Awesome, Steve. All right, we're going to save whatever this pack is. I really don't know what he is, but let's do this thing. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Let's rock and roll here. Starting us off here with Houston, a little Bryce Matthews out of 30 here. Goes to Jake. Jake on him. I guess we're going to see here. Are these 100s? Might be 130s. Might be 130s. 160 might be too big. Oh, yeah. Like a glove. 11 out of 30 here. Bryce Matthews, nice Houston piece. That's sick. Sammy Sosa on card here out of 35 for the Cubs. Goes to B. Moore. Love Sosa. Sick hit here for B. Moore. Sammy Sosa on card in a Cubby uni. Gotta love it. 29 out of 35. Really cool. Let's go B. Moore. On to the next one. Velorio here for the Yankees. Extravagance. 95 out of 99. Goes to Yanks. Suyasu. Suyasu. You know, I remember the product. I don't remember what this pack is. I don't remember that pack at all. I don't remember that pack. I really, really don't. Sick. Sick Drew Jones out of 99 here for the Diamondbacks and Glow. Is it? Okay. I feel like I never remember that. 31 out of 99 here. Nice. Is it really? Oh. Now I'm following. Now I remember here on the 4-color patch here for Drew Jones and the Diamondbacks. Sweet piece. Gotcha. Nice. Well, I was going to say, I can't tell if it's heavy or not. I have nothing to base it off of. Let's keep rolling here. For the Padres here, Dylan Head in San Diego, 74 out of 99. Goes to Robert. Dylan Head here. Goes to Robert. Nice Dylan Head here out of 99. Nice head. Out of 99. Our second patch out of the break here. For Washington, beautiful. Out of 99. Very solid head, yeah. Parcells here. 15 out of 99 on a little Yoandy Morales. Yoandy Morales. These are probably two going to be base cards here. It's Rafi Velasquez for the Guardians here out of 60. Will be two base cards here. Ralphie boy out of 60. And for the Yankees, Brando Maella. Brando. They forgot the N at the end of his name. Brando for the Yanks here. New York, New York. Goes to Suyasu. Second piece for C. All right, good luck here. I'm excited for this. Who is that? It says hats. Is that Jake Mizorowski? It is. That is sick. Who's got the Brewers here? Mustang on him. Mustang has the Brewers in the PYTs and the random teams. All over the place. It's 3 out of 6 here on the hat. That is, like, actually insane. That is so cool. I've never seen a relic like that. And Mizorowski's the man. And Mizorowski's the man, Mustang. Thick boy. Really, really cool, dude. Really, really cool. Let me find the right top loader for him because he's a thick card, baby. That dude's a thick boy. What I'm going to do here, Mustang, I want to try one thing out. It's actually always better to be in a top loader, but I wasn't sure if he would fit. Let me see if he'll even fit in a thick sleeve. And if he doesn't, then that's my answer. Nope. Nope, he has to go in here. This is what I'll do. We'll go 3 on these. 3 on these, Mustang. Perfect. That's actually perfect. Have to ever so slightly cover Jacob Mizorowski's head. Mr. Miz. Beautiful one, buddy. Beautiful one. Awesome Mizorowski here for the Brewers goes to Mustang. Here's your recap, folks. Here's your recap. Let's see here, Miles. Bryce Matthews out of 30. Some autos here. Valorio out of 99 on the extravagance here. Sammy Sosa on the 98 MVP award-winning 29 out of 35 here. Really cool on card. Yoandy Morales out of 99. Dylan Head out of 99. And Drew Jones. A really nice Drew Jones here for Soul Glow out of 99. Last but not least here, a beautiful, upside down, a beautiful Jacob Mizorowski here for the Brewers on the hat. That's too cool. Big fan of that. Very, very nice one. I'll beat the sort on that one specifically. That was, ladies and gentlemen, 24 Panini Impeccable. The last break for the day. We're going to save one for Dougie tomorrow. Okay? So he has something to do because it will probably be really slow tomorrow. So we'll give him something to do then. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen.